Hello there everybody, it's Cozzo here, and I'm just going to give you an update of a whole load of new bits and bobs and stuff with the Hashpan iPhone app client for app.net. It's been a while since I did an update because I've been away. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. Anyway, first thing we do is we'll log in. Naturally cover this bit up, if you don't mind. Thank you. Done. Log in. Okay, so we're initializing the streams. So it initializes the my stream, the mentions, and the global. And the first thing I'll show you is we've got a new profile tab here. What used to happen here is it used to show your latest posts. Anyway, it gives you a bit more of a profile to work from. You can obviously go and view all your posts by clicking there. You can see who you're following here. Also, this now is fully paginated, which it wasn't before because some stuff in the API has changed. And you see here favorites. We're told that favorites will be coming soon to app.net, so I've put that in there for now. Obviously, you've got the cover image here. If you want to see your bio, just pull down on here, flick it back up like that. And you'll see settings here. This used to say exit, and I'll show you what happens there. So let's say I'm on my stream here. Let's just give that a full reload rather than pull to refresh. By the way, I have fixed a whole load of pull to refresh issues, and hopefully making it a little less juddery to add new posts to the top. But what I can do here on the settings is, and this is a very early stage settings view, it's just like in preparation for it, because it'll have the main app settings, third-party connections, and other options. But what I've put in here for now is the settings here, as is on the alpha website, to be able to hide replies to strangers, i.e. people you don't follow. So if I put that on, let's reload this. And let's see, so hang on a second, hide replies to strangers. That's right, yes, because I followed these people. Now, if I was to have that off, then it would show me all the replies by people I follow to people they follow who I don't follow. For example, here, I don't follow this person here, that Tony Million. The developer of Extender has done, and the same goes here, and now I can see them. So I can hide them like that. Now, over the last 48 hours or so, we've seen a scourge of posts coming from the really useful service called If This Then That, which a lot of people are using to cross-post stuff from Twitter. Now, some people don't mind this, some people do. So what I've done for now is I've added a filter here saying hide post sent via If This Then That. So if I put that on, and let's go and just reload the global stream for this, just for an example. And we'll see it's hidden 17 If This Then That posts so it tells you how many it's hidden, and you just don't see them. If you have that off, and if I just reload, I'm doing full reloads rather than pull to refresh so you can see. Let's find, so you see this one here has a slightly kind of reddish pinkish background. That's because it's an If This Then That post, and you see it's got a .tco link on it as well. Equally evil and horrible, and we want less of all this. Also, what have we got going on here? Let's if we go to your bio, all bios, you can now click on the avatar there, and it'll make it bigger or smaller, just so you can have a closer look at people. So, for example, let's have a look at Q here, the developer of Quick App. So we pull down his bio. And there he is, wonderful. Isn't that lovely? Now, what else have we got here? Profile page, my posts, avatar in big, and we've done all that. I've got a list here, lots of filters. Oh, also, yes, the other setting here. Use the special @hash keyboard, I call it. It's also known as the Twitter keyboard within iOS 5 and above. And what that means is when you do a post, also notice the change in the cancel button here. When you do a post, instead of having a return button, you've got an @ and a hash button, which is handy. And if I switch that off and go back, it's a normal one with a return key. Incidentally, if you do choose to use the @ one, you can get to the return key by going 1, 2, 3, and then this button here turns into return key. Back. So there you go. There's a bunch of things more to come, particularly with the settings page. Let me know how you all get on with it, and I look forward to your feedback. And thank you very much for your testing and your patience and attention. Cheers. Bye.